There was a lake I loved in gentle rain, but one day there fell a bird, a courtly crane. Wisely he walked as one who knows of pain. Gracious he was, and lofty as a king. Silent he was, and yet he seemed to sing, always of little children and the spring. God? Did he know him? It was far he blew. God was not terrible and thunder blew. It was a gentle water bird, I knew. Pity was in him for the weak and strong, all who have suffered when the days were long. And he was deep and gentle as a song. As a calm soldier in a cloak of grey, he did commune with me for many a day, till the dark fear was lifted far away. Sober, apparelled, yet he caught the glow. Always of heaven would he speak, and low. And he did tell me where the wishes go. Kinfolk of his it was who long before came from the mist, and no one knows the shore, came with the little children to the door. Was he less wise than those birds long ago who flew from God? He surely willed it so, bearing great happiness to all below. Long have I learned that his speech was true. I cannot reason how far he flew. God is not terrible, nor thunder blue. Sometimes when I'm watching in the white sunshine, someone approaches, I can half define all the calm beauty of that friend of mine. Nothing of hatred will about him cling. Silent, how silent, but his heart will sing, always of little children in the spring.